The magnetic keyboard market is incredibly crowded right now. The Epomaker Magcore 65 Lite brings a genuinely different approach to the table. Instead of traditional Hall effect sensors, this 80 USD wireless gaming keyboard uses inductive switches. Today, I'm taking an in-depth look at how this technology translates to everyday typing and competitive gaming. Out of the box, the keyboard features a standard 65% layout with a dedicated navigation cluster on the side. The chassis relies on an ABS plastic casing with a clean matte black finish. It weighs exactly 730 grams. You will notice a slight creak when twisting the board, specifically around the center edges. Despite this minor flex, the gasket-mounted structure feels surprisingly rigid on the desk. The double-shot PBT keycaps have a slightly textured surface that grips your fingers well. Epomaker included transparent blue polycarbonate accent keys that let the vivid RGB lighting shine through. The aluminum volume knob positioned on the top right provides buttery smooth scrolling. However, it heavily lacks tactile notches for precise volume stepping. The defining feature here is the inductive switch technology. Rather than relying on individual magnets per key, these Epomaker core switches use an electromagnetic field to sense your keystroke depth. This specific design eliminates the need for sensor recalibration that traditional magnetic boards require over time. These are pure linear switches with a very light 30-gram initial force and 3.5 millimeters of total travel. The input is highly responsive and features absolutely zero stem wobble. The stem structure is entirely open at the bottom to allow the metal pole to interact seamlessly with the PCB sensors below. This highly specific architecture makes the switches strictly proprietary. You cannot swap them for standard mechanical or Hall effect alternatives. If a switch breaks, you must replace it with another identical inductive switch. The acoustic profile closely mimics an electrocapacitive keyboard. It delivers a soft, muted bottom-out sound, making it noticeably quieter than most magnetic boards. The upward stroke does generate a distinct and somewhat harsh bounce-back noise. Internal dampening is extensive. The assembly features a silicone bottom pad, PCB foam, an IXPE sheet, and latex plate foam. The internal components pair a 1.2mm FR4 plate with a 1.2mm PCB, intentionally deviating from the standard 1.6mm thickness. Plate-mounted stabilizers are decent out of the box, though the spacebar benefits from a bit of extra tuning. Modding this board is quite difficult. Connectivity and software are handled efficiently through a web-based driver. This completely removes the need to install bloatware on your PC. You can easily adjust actuation points and activate advanced bindings like Rapid Trigger and SOCD. Testing SOCD provided seamless counterstrafing. Rapid Trigger made executing advanced movement mechanics seamless. The polling rate reaches 8,000 Hz in wired mode for absolute minimum input latency. The major software limitation here is the complete lack of onboard profile management. You will need to manually adjust your switch sensitivities when transitioning between gaming and regular typing. Applying new calibration settings also requires a complete reset of the web application and the keyboard itself. You get tri-mode connectivity featuring Bluetooth, a 2.4 GHz dongle, and a braided USB-C cable. Switching to the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle drops the polling rate to 1,000 Hz. Power is supplied by two separate 2,000 mAh batteries, providing a total capacity of 4,000 mAh. Power efficiency is where the inductive technology truly excels. A single sensor on the PCB processes inputs for entire key clusters, drastically reducing the electrical draw across the board. The keyboard easily survives a full week of intensive daily use and gaming on a single charge. This uptime is impressive even with the exceptionally bright per-key RGB lighting turned on. The Epomaker Magcore 65 Lite delivers a highly practical solution for gamers seeking advanced movement mechanics. For 80 USD, you get true Rapid Trigger, SOCD, and reliable tri-mode wireless connectivity in a compact form factor. The inductive switches provide a smooth, responsive gaming experience that easily rivals more expensive magnetic alternatives. The ABS plastic case and the lack of hot swap compatibility with standard switches are acceptable compromises at this tier. The web-based software effectively handles advanced keystroke modifications, even though the missing profile management system is a notable drawback. The battery efficiency heavily offsets the smaller power capacity, ensuring consistent wireless uptime. This keyboard stands out as a strong competitor in the budget segment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.